Hello everyone, back here with Grandma Tanner, cooking with Grandma Tanner. Today she's got a really quick Dilly garlic tater tossers. I will take a picture of that and post it later. I'm sorry, I was busy. Grandma Tanner had to remind me not to forget her, just like came in here 3 minutes ago. So, all right, Grandma Tanner, take it away.
Okay. This is a really easy recipe. We sell these seasoning for tater tossers.
And you know what? One of my girlfriends, she used them on chicken breast.
Oh, I think you can use it on the back of the package. It tells you different things you can use it for. So I already made them when I had my family not too long ago, and I've taken 1 tablespoon out of here. So you can get about 4 out of all this. You can get about 4 times you can use this. So you put 1 tablespoonful of the seasoning in a bowl, and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You mix that all up. I have chose these small little potatoes. Now you can use about 3 or 4 medium-sized potatoes and then cut them in little 1-inch pieces. So I mix this all together here. Blend that real good. And then you take these potatoes and you just toss them in here and coat them with this olive oil and the seasoning. Just kind of round and around, and just so they're nice and coated.
Now you could probably put that, I would probably put that in a big Ziploc bag.
Yes, that might be a little easier.
Put the seasoning and squish it all around the Ziploc bag, and then put the potatoes in the Ziploc bag and roll them all over.
It would. So I'm going to take these out one at a time and just put them in this casserole dish here instead of pouring them, because I want to add more potatoes. Now if you're using larger potatoes, you just cut them in about 1-inch pieces, and do them that way. It takes about maybe 4 potatoes. I chose these because I like these little potatoes, especially if you have children. It's kind of neat to eat a little potato. So we'll just stir them all around in there, get them coated real good.
Yeah, I most definitely would be using a gallon or 2-gallon size Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
That's how I coat all my vegetables.
Now you can coat other vegetables with this. I think you could do carrots if you're going to bake carrots, or I think you could do cauliflower and broccoli. So I'll just pour all these in here and take this and scrape it out. And that is all that's to it. Now another one we have that we're selling here at the orchard is a Cajun, and that is very good if you're serving like barbecue ribs or chicken. I think you could even put this on the chicken and then bake it.
So how long do you bake those when you...
So this bakes for about 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay, on
375. So I preheated my oven. Put that in there. So about 35 more minutes. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about this.
About some of our other
products that we're selling.
And some of these are local products that are Midwest products. These two that we've gotten. This is the Smoke and Ghost. We call it the boo seasoning here at the orchard. A lady walked in and wanted the boo seasoning, and I don't know, it stuck with me.
It's got the little ghost on it.
So, where's this one from?
This one is made in Chillicothe, I do believe. Yeah.
Yeah,
Chillicothe, Illinois. It's a local vendor, and it's very good on meats, vegetables. Another thing that it's really good on is if you have corn and you would want to just shake a little bit, put a little butter on your corn and then shake that. Now another thing, we have a beautiful corn crop, and we are selling our corn. You buy 13 ears and you get 13 free. Tanner's always gives a baker's dozen. So come on out and get your corn for the holidays.
Yeah, Labor Day's coming right up.
A lot of people are buying the corn today for the holiday. And do you know, if you do not husk the corn and you put it in the refrigerator, it will keep longer for you.
Yeah, it don't matter what those husks look like. The corn's usually good on the inside.
Yeah, it's good on the inside.
And if you want to freeze it, we'll give you a recipe when you come out and get it.
Yes, it's very good. It tastes just like fresh corn in the winter. Now, another product that we're selling is this Skinny Sticks Pure Maple Syrup. It's from Wisconsin. But we met this young man up at Summer Orchard Day in June at an orchard up by Rockford. It's called Edwards West. And he was selling this, and he stopped in and gave us a bunch of samples. And we had pancakes the other night. It was really good.
Now, yeah, you've tried this. I haven't tried it yet.
It's got this vanilla bean in there. There's a vanilla bean in this, floating around in that maple syrup. It's very good.
And you had pancakes. What kind of pancakes?
I made the German pancakes because, you know, those little chickens up on the hill, they're laying a lot of eggs, and every once in a while, yesterday they laid 11 eggs out of 12 or 13 chickens. So they're really going to town. And it's very good on this apple cinnamon pancake mix that we are selling.
And Grandpa Tanner always made those for breakfast on
and this
Sunday.
is, if you want to give a gift, this makes such a nice combination gift. Then, since our weather has cooled off, we have these soup starters. And Jenny likes the tomato basil, and with a grilled cheese sandwich.
And I like them because you just add, I think it's like 8 ounces of water. 1 cup of water, 8 ounces. And so for the tomato soup, you don't have to make any meat. You just make a grilled cheese with it. And, you know, if it's late and you gotta get dinner, that's a good little dinner.
And I think customers have used these for other things, like pouring it over different meats and putting it in the crock pot, and there's a lot of things you can do with it. I
did the tomato one over chicken breast, but I wonder how the garden vegetable would be over
roast beef.
Yeah, roast beef.
Chuck roast. So. Yes.
All right. Well, that's all we got today. It was a little short. That Grandma Tanner wanted to showcase some of her items that we have available in the farm market. So I will be posting this recipe, but she made it from our Willow Mill Creek tater tossers. She used the Dilly garlic today. The Cajun, I bet that would be really good on chicken. So.
Oh yeah, that would be wonderful.
All right. Well, thank you, Grandma Tanner, and we'll see everybody next week at Thursday at 3 o'clock. Thanks a lot for watching.
Thank you.